That's why we were born to burn! Concession, another place mistakes. Will we fight for nothing and for our lives? Apathy is the new messiah. Only I can let this get so tired of the messages. No nights in the bed. Apathy is the new messiah. The weapon press you can fight fire with fire. Of the messages. No nights in the bed. Why do we not shout? We don't speak sound. We're all around. We can't decide what's true. Why are we fighting? Women just like you.
To survive on this planet, we have to respect the rights of all of those species to survive, because we need them more than they need us.
A message that's on broken ships will be ends of corruption quest. There is a voice that they cannot speak. Are you ready to admit the pain? You can hear the cry, the calling out to the motherland. She's breaking out. You can hear the cry, the calling out to the motherland. She's bleeding out. Return to